Who is Randy?
Don't bring anyone mother into this.
Your mom in the fucking stand!
Let's cleanse our palates. I got to tell you something. I saw this video yesterday, and it was hard not to bring it up, but I knew the show was recording today.
You got
so
excited?
I got excited.
Oh, I love that.
I don't think I've laughed harder in an airport in my life than watching this video. I mean, I was shaking and wiping tears out of my eyes. Okay?
Here he goes.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Oh, no.
Good.
Ow!
Yep. Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Miss Lorraine, relax that head for me.
No. Oh.
There it is.
You gotta get charged up now.
No, no, no!
Wow. Wow.
Power's on.
All down the back.
Wow.
My middle of my back, too.
That all healing takes time? That this is an Amazon Prime, right?
That's elder abuse.
My favorite
is torturing her.
is it when she's like, and he's like, how about that, huh? I got you good. She's like, He does her neck. She's like, He's like, there you go.
It's like when someone's giving you a horrible back massage. You ever had a friend who's like, you're going to love my back
here you go.
rubs. And then they're like, and they're like, just relax,
nice?
Soak into it. Yeah.
Oh,
like,
my God.
dude, he's killing this old woman.
Oh, my God.
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Ow.
Let's watch it again.
Dude, is she paralyzed now?
So this is actually, I saw a little longer version of this after this. It starts off and he goes, look at this. She's got scoliosis that has built up over years. So he kind of shows you that hump. He's like, yeah, this is years and years. And he's obviously seen her before.
Up and down, up and down, up and down. Good.
Ow.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Good movement there, huh?
She's terrified of
Miss
him.
Lorraine, relax that head for me.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
There it is.
This can't be good. She looks like she's dying right there. Yeah, the tongue. Oh,
This way.
shit. Oh, shit.
Wow. Wow.
She's like, she can't even talk. She's so upset.
Power's on.
All down the back.
My back still
My
hurts.
middle of my back, too.
That all healing takes time? That this is an Amazon Prime, right?
He's got a little catchphrase.
That is
She
horrible.
got popped so hard that her fucking tongue went out on her. She was like, holy Christ.
Well, also when you go to the chiropractor.
I was sitting at the airport just shaking.
Yeah. You're not supposed to go, ow, after they crack you.
No. You get cracked all the time.
You're not
You ever
supposed
make
to.
those noises?
It's funny because I see her and I could relate to those feelings, but like I've never been like
Yeah.
It's like she's gonna cry.
Ow.
I have no problem swallowing.
Oh my God.
I'd stop.
Does that mean?
That night right before you come. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's almost like she's too afraid to tell him to stop.
Yeah.
Do you think she's just terrified at this point?
Good
or-
movement there, huh?
Yeah.
The tongue is depressing, babe.
God, Jesus Christ. I mean, if I were him, I'd be like, maybe we don't put this video out.
I know, and she's so frail. She's like a bird.
I just realized, too, that this is like
God.
my new favorite lane that I'm looking for.
It's like cracking old people,
Yeah,
torturing old people,
'cause
elder abuse.
I go to I watch all the chiropractor videos, like to decompress.
Yeah.
It's like so soothing, but
Yeah.
they're never this funny. And I'm going to look for these now.
You know what's funny is that looks like the gun, the Theragun,
Yeah.
and he's like crunching it into this frail.
All healing
little...
takes time. This is an Amazon Prime. You know what I mean?
He's like, yeah. Like there's no muscle tissue for that thing to bounce up against.
No, it's just bones. Yeah.
Ow.
Can I tell you? I like this one too. And you know what? It makes me laugh. Like that rescue video with the guy with the
spinning
spinner.
helicopter,
And knowing that was a 70-year-old person in there makes it even funnier.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Guess what? We have an update.
Oh, shit.
Relax the head for me, Lorraine.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Yep. We got one more to go right here. You okay right there, Lorraine?
okay.
There it is. Beautiful. So, what's up, everybody? This is No Pain Lorraine. You remember her? She's alive. You well? You healthy? You happy?
Yes.
And they think my adjustment killed you.
Really?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Because he got so much traction. And I'm not saying from us, like the internet. It went viral, you know?
Oh, okay.
Like even on his TikTok, that video had like 11 million views after a couple
I think
days.
because Lorraine's tongue habit.
Oh, yeah. I
is
think so,
really-
too. I think because she was like, yeah.
A little more
Here's another
movement
lady.
here. You know, a little less resistance from the right trap and tissue.
Old people, stop. They're so frail.
It's so frail. She looks so scared. What happened?
Man, why is it so funny to hear old people getting adjusted?
Oh, it's so funny.
Poor lady.
Ow.
Feels good?
You good?
Just like Amazon Prime.
Good, huh?
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Man, what's his line?
He's like,
this ain't
all
Amazon
healing
Prime.
takes time, and this ain't Amazon Prime. And she's like,
Ow. Ow.
ow.
Ow.
He's like, you good? Yeah.
Is that good?
She's
You feel
terrified.
better?
Hello, and thank you for watching that highlight. If you want to see more of those, we have them. They're provided for you. So enjoy. Just do a deep dive like you're trying to study us. Click on these and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and then they'll just be delivered to you. You can watch them when they come out. Please do it.